Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making tandoori potato fritters. For this here I have taken one large size of potato and this is sliced like this. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 egg whites, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala and half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Now first of all, in the whites I will add this corn flour, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and I will make a batter of this. Now this batter is ready and now I will add in all the spices, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and lemon juice, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mix them together. And now I will dip this potato in the batter. Coat the potato completely and then slide it in the hot oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tandoori potato fritters are ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi aman.